The Nighttime Secret: Why Your Legs Weaken After 60 and How Bedtime Vitamins Can Help. Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt your legs heavy, stiff, or just not as strong as they used to be? Maybe you've noticed it's harder to get out of bed, climb stairs, or even take a walk around the block. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Leg weakness, cramps, and loss of muscle are some of the most common and most frustrating problems seniors face. But what if I told you that the solution could be as simple as taking the right vitamins before bed? Welcome to Senior Renewal. Today, we're revealing the science-backed truth about why your legs weaken as you age and how 3 specific vitamins, taken at night, can help you wake up with stronger, more stable legs. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just smart, simple changes that can make a real difference. Let's start with the basics. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. This muscle loss is silent and gradual, but it can have a huge impact on your independence, balance, and quality of life. The legs are often hit hardest because they support your entire body weight and are used for almost every daily activity. But here's the good news. Your body is always repairing and rebuilding itself, especially while you sleep. Nighttime is when your muscles recover, your nerves reset, and your cells get a chance to heal. That's why what you do before bed, especially the nutrients you give your body, can have a powerful effect on your leg strength, balance, and mobility. So why do so many seniors wake up with weak, cramping, or restless legs? The answer often comes down to 3 things: nutrient deficiencies that slow down muscle repair, poor circulation that starves your legs of oxygen, and chronic inflammation that damages nerves and joints. The right bedtime vitamins can help address all 3, if you know which ones to choose. But before we dive into the top 3 vitamins, let's talk about why bedtime is the best time to take them. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Blood flow to your muscles increases, your cells absorb nutrients more efficiently, and your body releases growth hormone to rebuild tissue. By giving your body the right vitamins before bed, you're fueling this natural healing process so you can wake up feeling stronger, steadier, and more energized. Ready to discover the 3 bedtime vitamins that can help you reclaim your leg strength after 60? Let's dive in. The 3 bedtime vitamins for stronger legs and how to use them. Number 1. Vitamin D, the muscle protector. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but for seniors, it's much more than that. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve health, and bone strength. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to muscle weakness, frequent falls, and even difficulty walking. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight, and many seniors spend less time outdoors. This means deficiency is extremely common, especially in the winter months. How does vitamin D help your legs? It supports the growth and repair of muscle fibers, especially in the thighs and calves. It helps your nerves communicate with your muscles, improving balance and coordination. It strengthens your bones, reducing the risk of fractures if you do fall. How to use? Take your vitamin D supplement in the evening, ideally with a small snack that contains healthy fat, like a few nuts or a spoonful of yogurt, to boost absorption. The recommended dose for most seniors is 800 to 2,000 IUs per day, but always check with your doctor for your specific needs. Food sources: fatty fish like salmon and sardines, egg yolks, fortified milk, and mushrooms. Number 2. Magnesium, the cramp fighter. If you've ever been woken up by a painful leg cramp, you know how miserable it can be. Magnesium is a mineral that helps your muscles relax, supports healthy nerve function, and keeps your blood flowing smoothly. Low magnesium is a major cause of nighttime leg cramps, restless legs, and even tingling or numbness. How does magnesium help your legs? It relaxes tight muscles and prevents spasms. It improves blood flow to your legs, reducing swelling and fatigue. It calms overactive nerves, helping you sleep more soundly. How to use. Take a magnesium supplement about 30 to 60 minutes before bed, and the best forms for absorption are magnesium glycinate or citrate. The typical dose for seniors is 200 to 400 milligrams per day, but again, check with your doctor for your specific needs. Food sources. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, nuts like almonds and cashews, seeds like pumpkin and sunflower, whole grains, and dark chocolate. Number 3. Vitamin B12, the nerve shield. Vitamin B12 is essential for healthy nerves, red blood cell production, and energy metabolism. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing B12 from food, especially if you take certain medications or have digestive issues. Low B12 can cause numbness, tingling, weakness, and even balance problems, especially in the legs. It's also linked to memory loss and mood changes. How does B12 help your legs? It protects the myelin sheath, the insulation around your nerves, so signals travel smoothly from your brain to your muscles. It supports red blood cell production, ensuring your legs get enough oxygen. It helps prevent fatigue and weakness so you can stay active and independent. How to use. Take a B12 supplement. Methylcobalamin is the most absorbable form before bed, especially if you have trouble sleeping or experience restless legs. The recommended dose for seniors is 500 to 1,000 micrograms per day, but your doctor can advise you based on your needs. Food sources. Animal products like fish, meat, eggs, and dairy. If you're vegetarian or vegan, supplements are especially important. Additional bedtime tips for stronger legs. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can worsen cramps and muscle weakness. Drink water throughout the day, but avoid large amounts right before bed to avoid nighttime bathroom trips. Gentle stretching. Before bed, do a few simple leg stretches to relax your muscles and improve circulation. Elevate your legs. If you have swelling, prop them up on a pillow for 10 to 15 minutes before sleep. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both can disrupt sleep and worsen leg symptoms. Leg weakness, cramps, and loss of muscle are not just part of getting older. By giving your body the right vitamins, vitamin D, magnesium, and B12 before bed, you can support muscle repair, nerve health, and circulation while you sleep. Combine these with healthy foods, gentle movement, and smart bedtime habits, and you'll wake up with stronger, steadier legs ready to take on the day. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay active and independent after 60. And let us know in the comments, which bedtime vitamin will you try first? Here's to stronger legs, better sleep, and a healthier, happier you at any age.